Hi, everyone. Welcome to episode 73 of Think in English, the podcast. I'm Lily, and I'm here with my friend Ben. Today, we're talking about finding time for yourself. Ben, do you ever feel like your day is too busy? Like no time to relax?
Oh, yes, Lily. Hi, listeners. I'm Ben. Sometimes I work all day, help my family, and then poof, the day is gone. No time for me. What about you?
Me too, Ben. Last week, I was so tired. I thought, when can I just sit and read a book? It's hard, but it's important to find time for yourself. It makes you happy and strong.
You're right, Lily. Finding time for yourself is like charging your phone. You need it to keep going. Let's talk about why it's good.
Okay. First, when you find time for yourself, you feel less stress. Stress is when you feel worried or tired from too much work.
Yes, like when I have a busy day at the office. If I take a short walk alone, I feel better. My mind is clear.
Exactly. And it helps you think better. You can have new ideas. For example, I like to draw pictures in my free time. It makes me creative.
That's fun. I like to listen to music. It relaxes me. So, listeners, think about what you like to do alone. Maybe read, walk, or cook something nice.
Good point, Ben. But how do we find this time? Life is busy with work, school, family.
Let's share some easy tips. Tip 1. Wake up early, just 15 minutes before everyone else. Use that time for you.
I love that. I wake up at 6 a.m. and drink coffee quietly. It's my special time. What else?
Plan your day. Make a list. Say, from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m., that's my time. No phone, no work.
Yes, and say no sometimes. If a friend asks to meet but you're tired, say, sorry, not today. It's okay.
True, friends understand. Another tip, use small moments, like during lunch break, sit alone and breathe deep.
Breathe deep. You mean take slow breaths to relax?
Yes, inhale, exhale. It helps a lot. Try it now, listeners. Breathe in and out.
Feels good, right? Now, let's talk about what to do in your time. Simple things for beginners.
Like take a bath or watch a funny video. Nothing big.
Or go for a walk in the park. Look at trees and birds. Nature is nice.
I agree. Or read an easy book. We can learn English that way too.
Oh yes, reading helps with English. Start with short stories.
And exercise, like do yoga at home. It's quiet and good for body.
Perfect. But what if you live with many people? How to find alone time?
Good question. Go to your room and close the door. Or go outside.
Or tell your family, I need 30 minutes alone, please.
They will respect that. Family wants you happy.
Now, let's think about words for this topic. Me time means time for yourself.
Yes, relax means to rest and feel calm.
Busy means you have a lot to do.
Schedule is your plan for the day.
Great. Listeners, repeat after us. Me time, relax, busy, schedule.
Practice these words. Use them in sentences.
For example, I need me time to relax.
My schedule is busy today.
Good job. Now, a story. Last month, I was very busy. Work, friends, everything. I felt sad.
Oh no, what did you do?
I decided to find time. Every evening, I turn off my phone for 1 hour. I read or listen to music. Now I feel happy.
Wow, that's inspiring. I had a similar thing. I love playing guitar, but no time. Now I play 10 minutes before bed and makes my day better.
See? Small changes help. Listeners, try it this week.
Yes, start small, 5 minutes a day.
And remember, it's okay to say, I need time for me.
Absolutely, you're important.
Let's talk more. What if you're a student? School is busy.
Yes, but after homework, take a break, play a game or draw.
Or talk to yourself in English. Practice speaking.
Fun idea. Say, today I will find time for myself.
Repeat. Today, I will find time for myself.
Good. Now for parents. Kids need time, but you do too.
When kids sleep, use that time. read or watch TV.
Or ask a partner to help, share the work.
Teamwork makes it easy.
Now, health. Finding time for yourself is good for health.
Yes, less stress means better sleep.
And more energy for the next day.
So don't forget it.
Let's share phrases. I need a break.
Can I have some alone time?
Let's plan me time.
Use these in real life.
Practice with friends.
Or in the mirror.
Oh, yes.
Now, think about weekends. Weekends are great for me time.
Go to a cafe alone, drink tea and think.
Or stay home and cook your favorite food.
Yummy. I like pancakes.
Me too. Simple joys.
What if you feel guilty, like I should work more?
Don't. You deserve rest.
Everyone does.
Be kind to yourself.
Yes, self-care is key.
Self-care means taking care of you.
Like a friend.
Now, let's imagine a day. Wake up, me time with coffee.
Then work, but take lunch alone.
Evening, walk or read.
Bedtime, relax.
Perfect day.
Listeners, make your perfect day.
Share in comments.
We love hearing from you.
Now, for English learners, this topic helps talking about daily life.
Use simple sentences.
Like, I find time by walking.
My me time is reading.
Easy. Keep practicing. Let's add more tips. Turn off notifications on your phone.
Yes, no distractions.
Distractions mean things that stop you.
Like beeps from messages.
Focus on you.
Another, set a timer, 20 minutes for me time.
Good idea.
Makes it real.
And reward yourself. After work, do something fun.
Like ice cream.
Yes. Now, culture. In some places, people take siesta, afternoon rest.
Nice, we can learn that.
Short nap.
Nap means sleep for a little.
Refreshing.
Try it.
But not too long.
Right.
What about hobbies? Find time for them.
Hobby is something you like painting.
Or sports?
Make time weekly.
Yes. Friends, remember balance, work and rest.
Balance means not too much one thing.
Perfect.
I think we covered a lot.
Yes, let's review.
We talked about why finding time for yourself is important. Less stress, more happy.
Tips: wake up early, plan, say no, use small moments.
What to do: walk, read, music, breathe.
Words: me time, relax, busy, schedule.
Phrases: I need a break, alone time.
Stories and examples.
Now, listeners, practice this. Try finding time today. Speak English about it.
You can do it. You're amazing.
Thanks for listening to episode 73.
See you next time on Think in English, the podcast. Bye.
Bye. Keep thinking in English.